I got a Mexican speaker.
Nope, don't have those allowed. Alright, we're cutting the powder out of the inside of the hole that some unknown person put in there for some stupid reason. So I finally found my 1-inch reamer adjustable. I had to cut it down to fit up inside of here because it's a number 5 taper and I needed a 3/4 straight. And then someone had to adjust it out about 30 thou too big, so I had to take the screw out on the bottom, which you can't see. What do you got that in your hand for? You're supposed to be holding the camera.
Wrench.
Yeah, the one for adjusting the tool.
Oh, an outlet.
That one.
Look at you doing.
Dumbass.
I thought you don't cuss on these.
Dumbass ain't cussing. Stating a fact.
Yeah, I see.
Fact of nature. Okay, we went that much tighter this time. So we were at 96.5, so we're probably at 97 now. Maybe 97.25. Because we were not cutting. I didn't see any aluminum coming out yet. Just powder. Okay, so now I got to put this down in here like this. I need 3 hands here to do this.
Give it all of it.
I don't know, you got 3 hands?
I got a third hand.
Oh, okay.
I got a third leg.
You got 3 legs?
Yeah.
Good for you. How can I do that? Just jam it in there and rotate it. I could use power tools.
Impossible.
Don't want to come off. See no aluminum in there yet. That's a good sign, right?
I think so.
Okay. See a lube there. Lube-a-dooba. Looked a lot better lube. What's up with that? Here. See, I used to have a tripod for holding the camera. Now I got a 2-legged dumbass doing it. I think I need more leverage.
You want me to do it?
There it goes.
Oh, that's cool. Just scratch the pattern.
I don't care.
Yeah,
I really didn't care. You believe me? I feel like the lube's wearing out.
Lube it.
Yeah, I got lube on my finger. No aluminum yet? Just black? No more metal flake.
No more, sadly.
Ooh, that's a lot smoother than your rat tail file you wanted to use.
Yeah. Like I said, sanding.
Most people say use their Dremel, but...
That's what I said. I said, let me borrow your die grinder.
No, you said sanding. I don't have a Dremel, I have a grinder. Okay, a little bit further to go. Should put out the bottom here pretty soon. There it goes. What's that?
Stick your finger in that again. Oh, nice.
Remind you of something last night?
Oh, look at the scratches.
Was this black anodized when I started?
No, it was black powder coated.
Black powder coated?
Yeah.
Oh. I don't see aluminum yet, so that means we're probably not all the way through yet. We're at 95.
Isn't that where we want to be? At the metal?
I need a stem. Stem was 104, wasn't it? $101. 1 inch. So we got a 4th thou press right now. How much press do you want?
Enough to hold?
4th thou enough for you?
I don't know. You can still see the flake too.
I don't see no aluminum in there yet. I don't think we're at the factory torque level yet, press level, because we can still see the aluminum. Alright, so let me put our adjuster down in here. that much?
Factory.
How much is that? Did you measure it so you don't connect too much?
Just enough.
Just enough? I like that dimension. Just enough. Perfect. Write that down in the book. Just
Perfect.
enough. Ooh. That wasn't much of an adjustment, was it?
No, it's not.
Cut something out though. Adjustable reamers only have size at the point because it tapers out. See a little smattering of aluminum in there?
Yeah, a little bit.
Yeah, that means we're
Getting somewhere.
going to start cutting out metal here pretty soon.
Can you do that by hand?
I am doing it by hand.
Well, human power.
Wasn't that by hand? That was human power.
Yeah.
96. How much metal did we take out? We were 96 before.
Yeah. Thought we were 95.
Oh, we were?
I don't know.
You know what I'm going to do?
Hmm.
Another quarter turn.
Send it to a half.
At some point it's going to start cutting. And then we're going to be sorry. Chips in the center of balloons. Okay. See that power feed going down?
Oh, look at that.
Damn,
Automatic.
automatic power feed. High speed reaming.
This is pretty
Do
good.
you call this hand reaming?
60 RPM.
Maybe. But it stops every time I turn it. It's a staggered 60 RPM. All the way through, we're all the way through down there. Oh, it spins free down there.
This is painful to watch.
It's painful in my hand.
You on the switch?
My wrist is getting to work out too.
Uh,
I practice at night.
yeah, I was about to say.
I don't see it really cutting anything out.
No.
I know it did.
Half turn.
What do you think? A quarter thou, half thou, no thou?
No thou.
One
Oh,
thou.
1 thou.
Ooh,
Wow.
that was a big cut. Half a thou. What? 1 thou? Almost. It's touchy. It's half a thou for sure. 1 thou there. Okay, so we're getting loose. So we're up to 3. We're down to 3. What do you think? One more?
I think so.
I need one more. I'd like to see a little something, a little shadow of aluminum.
Half turn.
No. At some point it's going to start making a difference. Right
Yeah.
now we're still just shoving it all in there. It's not really doing anything yet.
Okay. Oh, it'll
It's going to start making a
opening it
difference.
up,
It's
yeah.
going to start making a difference all of a sudden. You know. You don't want to overdo it. See, I got loose here at the bottom.
You just press right through it.
Oh, it's only half a thou. 1 thou.
Nada.
It's starting to drag over there.
Yeah, but is that aluminum?
Yeah, it's shiny.
Mm-hmm. This is going to be an exciting video.
I got a lot of exciting videos like this. I think you should pull back a little bit so you can see what's going on instead of being real close. It's exciting for me too.
You look excited.
Oh yeah. Until you get the bell. Okay. Still black. A little hint of something trying to come in, but not yet. 97.5 now. 97.
Did nothing.
97.5. It went up half a thou.
Yeah. Ooh.
There's your tight spot.
So.
It's half a thou out around. Damn. Stupid people. Alright. Go one more.
Half turn.
No.
Cut twice, measure once.
Not even a half. Not even a quarter.
Man.
It's that much.
You just pressed it right through.
There it goes.
Ooh.
It's all the way through there. In case you might think I wasn't cutting anything. Tighter through there now. And why go up?
Why is that?
Because it's a spring trying to pull up, so it's helping me. Instead of me fighting the spring.
Spring assisted?
The spring is actually helping me feed rate. It's adjusting the feed rate.
Hard work today.
It's a hard job there. The lube in there won't hurt. It's getting dry.
Man.
Alright, looks better. That's all. Okay. I think we're at our number we want for now. Okay.
We can press into the powder. Should be fine.
We'll press in the powder. Oh, look, it fits over there and everything.
Easy.
Okay, what direction let this go?
What? Oh. That's the bottom.
This is the top?
That's the bottom.
That's the top, right?
Bottom.
That's the bottom?
Bottom.
Bottom?
Yeah. Other way.
Doesn't go that way?
No.
Okay, that doesn't go in the hole. Does that mean it's too much of a press fit?
Press fit. No, we pushed it damn near all the way out last time. I'm pretty sure.
Well, this is 1 inch, and that's not 1 inch.
Yeah.
I bet you didn't undercut it at all. Caliper. I bet you morons made the same side on both sides. See, most people make it bigger on this end, so it slides through easily.
That's too much thought powder.
That's how Harley does shit.
That's a little under.
If you call that
10 thou.
2
Oh, there we
thou.
go. Oh, never mind.
So that means a 1 inch bearing floats up on the top
Easy.
instead of being like it's supposed to be. See, this is 1 inch all the way down through here.
So you got a 1 thou taper. Nice.
There's a small difference between the two, but not much. So basically it's going to be a press fit all the way through.
We like that.
Well, it'll be tight.
Lube it up.
It will be tight if I push it in there. It'll be fine. You can see I leaned about a 1/4 inch just by pushing my hand. You think we need some lube on there? Is that what you're saying?
I don't know. What do you
makes a
think?
mess. Lube makes a mess. I'll get it fits there. Uh-oh.
Clearance issue.
Clearance issue. Oh, let's split these apart then. How's that?
Drop them down.
It's gonna go down? You don't want to skip those threads going down?
Oh, oh Jesus.
This isn't the press area either, but it works.
Not sketchy. Oh,
It
nice.
broke!
Oh, nice.
It broke! now we're in the axle.
You want a free floating press.
Free floating press.
Yeah.
Need a block. Get a block.
Tatro, your cameraman has to take a piss.
Hey, dude, why don't you stand back a little bit so I don't get wet?
Okay. Snap.
See the tonnage.
Big press. Big scratch.
I'm not touching that, so I probably didn't count on that. But
It's touching. It's
it's all
touching.
the way down. Okay, I don't think it's going to fall out.
Good.
The clip did hit a little bit, but I did grind it down, so it wouldn't be too bad. Okay, I think it's in there. Is it straight?
Oh, straight enough.
Is it wobbling like this as I
Oh,
rotate it?
no, it looks good.
That's good.
Yeah.
Perfect. It's not bad.
Not bad.
What if it was bad?
That wouldn't be good.
Yeah, you're pretty smart.
Oh, thank you.
I don't know if it'll clear my blade. Might. Maybe it will.
I can start spinning around, smacking shit.
Yeah.
Man, look at that. It looks good.
Wobble, wobble, wobble.
It's a wobble, yeah. You can see it wobbling.
A little bit. I'm gonna get this side with the powder coat.
You want to get there?
Powder's kind of moving a little bit. Get on the other side of me. It's not too bad, but it's got a few thou.
Teeth out. Harley spec.
With powder coat, it would, how thick's the powder?
Uh-huh.
20 thou, 30 thou. Might not be square.
Powder coat's not true.
The thing is, this stem, when I went to cut it, it was wobbling about 20 thou. The stem.
That's spec. Kraus, thank you.
Not counting the tree.
Well, it's made in
I
America.
think the tree might have helped out the wobble.
Straighten it out.
Or I just can't see it as bad. Because you watch the video before this one, you'll see the whole stem was wobbling back and forth.
Nice.
It was straight. When I
Makes-
cut the
makes me
reamer,
happy.
the reamer I put in there and cut it, it was turning dead straight. So I think this part's not straight, even though it's supposed to be.
That's straight enough.
Yeah.
I wouldn't want a gay triple tree.